Before there was a world as we know it, before there were oceans, mountains, trees, animals, or human beings, there was God. Genesis begins with one of the most powerful statements in the Bible. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, but at that moment, the earth was not yet the beautiful world we know today. It was formless and empty. Darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was moving over the waters. Then God began to bring order out of what was empty and unformed. Day 1. God said, "Let there be light," and immediately light appeared. God saw that the light was good, and He separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night, and that became the first day. Notice something important. God did not need materials to create the light. He simply spoke, and it came into existence. Day 2. Then God said, "Let there be a space between the waters." God made an expanse, separating waters from waters. He called this expanse sky. In this way, God established the space above the earth, separating the waters below from the waters above. And there was evening and there was morning, the second day. Day 3. Then God gathered the waters together so that dry ground could appear. The dry ground was called land, and the gathered waters were called seas. God looked at what He had made, and it was good. But God wasn't finished. He commanded the earth to produce vegetation. Plants began to grow. Grass covered the ground. Trees appeared, producing fruit and seeds according to their kinds. The earth, which had been empty and without form, was now beginning to become a living world. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third day. Day 4. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate the day from the night." God made the greater light to govern the day, the sun. He made the lesser light to govern the night, the moon. And He also made the stars. These lights would serve as signs for seasons, days, and years. The heavens were now filled with lights that would mark the passing of time, and there was evening, and there was morning, the fourth day. Day 5. Then God commanded the waters to be filled with living creatures. The seas came alive with creatures of every kind, and God created the birds to fly across the sky. From the smallest creatures to the great creatures of the sea, God created them according to their kinds. And God blessed them, saying that they should multiply and fill the waters and the sky. And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. Day 6.